For this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple process of adding products to your Shopify collection. Welcome back to TechMan. Let's begin by logging into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Shopify admin dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, find and click on the products option. Then go to the collections over here. If you've already created the product you want to add to a collection, find and select the product from the list. But if you haven't created the product yet, click Add Product at the top right corner and fill out the product details. In the Collections section, click the box next to the collection where you want to add the product. You can select multiple collections if needed. After selecting the collection, click Save at the top or bottom of the product page. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.